California's Dream for All program is expected to return in 2026, and yes, it can help with up to $150,000 towards down payment. Here's the part people usually misunderstand. This isn't free money and it's not monthly payment assistance. It's a shared appreciation program, up to 20% of the purchase price, but it's capped at $150,000. It can be used for down payment and or closing costs. No monthly payment on the assistance. Can be repaid when you sell or refinance, plus a portion of appreciation. Who's it designed for? First-time buyers, at least one first-generation home buyer. You must qualify with a CalHFA approved lender. One more important thing to know, funds are not first come, first served. There's a state lottery when registration opens. Here's why I'm sharing this now. The buyers who actually win these programs are the ones who are prepared early with credit, income, and strategy before everyone starts talking about it. If buying in 2026 is even a maybe for you, now is the window to get positioned. Make sure to share this post with someone who needs to see it and send me a message and we'll map out what prep actually looks like for you or their situation. Once again, I'm David Domingos, local San Diego Realtor, helping you keep in the know about San Diego.